Coagulase test. Coagulase test is one of the pathogenic tests to find out the organism is 90% of Staphylococcus produces coagulase. What is coagulase? Coagulase is an enzyme which converts fibrinogen into fibrin, forms a barrier around the Staphylococci, protects it from the phagocytosis, one of the enzyme which gives virulence to the bacteria. But lucky to the human beings, unlike staphylococcal lesions are localized. Streptococci produces hyaluronidase, which breaks the ground substance made up of hyaluronic acid. The streptococcal lesions are dangerous. It gives rise to necrotizing fasciitis. Staphylococcal lesions, abscess, boil, carbuncles are all localized. And only problem in staphylococci is MRSA, that is resistant staphylococcus. Now, staphylococci, there are two types of staphylococci. There are two types of coagulase. One is bond coagulase, integral part of the cell wall of staphylococci, and the second one is free coagulase. Bond coagulase is tested by taking saline suspension of staphylococci, adding undiluted plasma. There will be clumping. Whereas tube coagulase is tested by taking broth culture of staphylococci, adding 1 in 5 diluted plasma, incubating at 37 degrees for 4 hours. There will be formation of thick coagulum in the bottom of the tube. I'll repeat once again. Coagulase is an enzyme produced by Staphylococcus aureus, which converts fibrinogen into fibrin barrier, forms a protective layer against phagocytosis. There are two types of coagulase. One is a bond coagulase, which is tested by slide coagulase test, whereas free coagulase, which is tested by the tube coagulase test. Take the saline suspension of the organism, add undiluted plasma, there will be clumping. That is slide coagulase test. Tube coagulase test, take 0.5 ml of the broth culture, add 1 in 0.5 ml of the 1 in diluted plasma, incubate at 37 degrees for 4 hours for the formation of thick coagulum at the bottom of the tube. So, there are two types of coagulase. Free coagulase is released into circulation and requires the help of CRF, what is coagulase reactivating factor. So, once again, I'll repeat. Coagulase enzyme produces staphylococci, converts fibrinogen into fibrin, forms the barrier in the organism from protective phagocytosis. Unlike streptococci, staphylococcal lesions are localized. Two types of coagulase, bond coagulase and free coagulase. Bond coagulase is tested by the slide coagulase. Free coagulase is tested by the tube coagulase. Coagulase is enzyme produced by staphylococci. Coagulase 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 enzyme converts fibrinogen into fibrin. Two types, bond coagulase, free coagulase. Bond coagulase is tested by the slide coagulase. Free coagulase is tested by the tube coagulase. Bond coagulase is tested by the slide coagulase. Free coagulase is tested by the tube coagulase. Take saline suspension, add plasma, will be clumping. Slide coagulase. Free coagulase 0.5 ml of the plasma, add 1 in 5 diluted plasma, incubate at 37 degrees for 4 hours in the formation of thick coagulum at the bottom of the tube. It's one of the virulent factors of staphylococci. All staphylococcal lesions are localized because forms a fibrin barrier around the organism, protects the organism from phagocytosis, protects the organism from the phagocytosis. Please remember, one of the important questions that will be asked in the examination.